Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Tata Motors Limited. Our analyst maintains a buy on Tata Motors with a revised price target of Rs 720 in expectation of continued improvement in JLR, passenger vehicle and consumer vehicle business, along with reduction in net automotive debt from current levels. In Q1 of FY24, JLR reported a robust 29.9% year-on-year rise in volumes and is likely to report a positive free cash flow of over 400 million GBP. JLR continues to enjoy strong demand reflected in the order book of 1,85,000 units. The demand for JLR's most profitable model has been strong at 76% of its order book is constituted by Range Rover, Range Rover Sports and Defender. The stock is trading at EV by EBITDA multiple of 5.4 times its FY25 earning estimates. Next on radar is Bajaj Consumer Care. Our analyst retains buy rating on Bajaj Consumer Care with a price target of Rs 215. Hair oil category volumes are likely to grow by 3 to 5% in FY24, with almond drop hair oil volumes expected to beat category growth. As NPDs are gaining strong traction, management targets double-digit revenue growth in FY24, largely volume-led growth. New product launches contribution is expected to increase to 30% over the next 4 to 5 years from current level of 12%. Prices of refined mustard oil and light liquid paraffin have corrected sharply from their highs. Management expects raw material prices to remain range-bound and expect operating profit margin to come in at 17 to 20% in FY24. Improving presence in both urban and rural market, diversification of product basket by creating a complete hair oil portfolio and driving growth in the international market would help the company to achieve double-digit growth in the next 4 to 5 years. Stock trades at an attractive valuation of 16 times its FY24 earning estimates and 13.5 times its FY25 earning estimates. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.